In today's video, I will guide you on how to use the Vidiq plugin for ChatGPT. The Vidiq plugin for ChatGPT allows you to access various types of information related to videos and channels on YouTube. For example, you can retrieve trending videos from a specific country or get detailed information about a channel or a video on YouTube. Step 1. Configure ChatGPT account and install plugin. To get started, we need to configure our account and install the plugin log into your account and go to Settings and Download Beta and Future Beta and enable the plugin feature. Then, select New Chat and choose GPT-4 and choose Plugin. Next, click on the arrow button and scroll down to the bottom and select Plugin Store and search for Vidiq and install. After installing the Vidiq plugin, you need to check the box next to this plugin to use it. Step 2. Writing prompts. After installing the plugin, I will ask how to use this plugin with prompt. Please guide how to use this Vidiq plugin. I tried to find trending videos in the US market, and the plugin returned accurate results. Additionally, it displayed extra data such as views per hour, video ID, and channel ID. Next, I would like to attempt to retrieve data for the top trending video, which happens to be a video by MrBeast. The plugin provides the same data as shown on the screen. You can also try other commands as described in the instructions. In summary, with this plugin, we are currently obtaining basic information. I hope that Vidiq will update with more data in the near future. I will release an updated video if I have any new information. If you find this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to help us stay motivated to create more helpful tips. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to leave a comment. We're happy to respond. Thank you for watching the entire video.